Hello and welcome to North Adventure Lodge. As you can see, we have a new project because our old railing got rotten and we have to build a new one, or we means actually me. So the approach which I'm using is a little bit inspired from the agile way of working. What does it mean? So it's a quite big railing made out of 11 let's call them little fences, and I want first of all to build the first one so that I can learn, to get feedback out of that, just to reflect what are the things which went really well, what are things which maybe I didn't do so good, because of course being the first time that I'm doing this, it's a learning process. So the first one looks like that. It's very solid. I have to admit that not all the cuts are perfect, and there are also some other things which I'm not very satisfied with, as the angles which I had to cut. So basically, as I said, it's a learning process. Now I'm really happy to start the second one and see how this will be better. Enjoy this video and see you soon.